If I wanted to type x is less than or equal to 3, I would type in on my keyboard x, a backslash symbol, the letters L, E, and then a space. Right after you hit the space, the backslash and the LE will transform into a less than or equal to sign. And that's also what these letters stand for, less than or equal to. If you don't type in a space after these characters, then nothing will happen. Once you have entered a space, you can continue typing. I would just hit 3 to get x is less than or equal to 3. A greater than or equal to symbol works in a similar way. You would type backslash, then GE, and a space. You're going to have a chance to practice that here and here just by typing in what I have written here. And then as a challenge to you, you'll be able to try these two inequalities. Notice that they contain an infinity symbol. For the infinity symbol, you simply need to type in a backslash and then the letters I, N, F, and a space. The space again will transform these characters into your infinity symbol. For this infinity, it's negative, so I put a negative sign in front first. This is just the minus sign or the dash on your keyboard. Try playing around with your keyboard and see if you can get these same math expressions using Quill. It's pretty cool.